Okay, this is the first red that I got. If you want to achieve this color, if you want to achieve the vivid red, then go ahead and skip to 256. Okay, you guys, to complete this look, you're gonna need your hair, which I have my bundles from Bonbon bundles. 2 dyes, one in red hot burgundy and the other one in vivid red. And you're also gonna need a mixing bowl, a dye brush, and your shampoo and conditioner. Also, you guys, I ended up using only 2 boxes of each dye. First thing we're gonna do is open up the vivid red and see what's inside. We have some shampoo, and right here is the developing cream, and then we have the liquid that we put in to make it a color. Make sure y'all shake it up really well so the developer and the color can actually mix well. Okay, you guys, try to get a bigger mixing bowl, because if you have the small one, you have to keep making batches of bleach or color. So just save yourself some time. Okay, after all that work, this is my result. So we're gonna go back in and bleach it and try the process all over again. Okay, I'm out of frame, but right here I'm using the BW powder, 30 volume developer, and some hair foils I bought at the beauty supply store. And of course your mixing bowl and your comb. You want to mix up your powder and developer really good, not too thick because you want to work through the hair easily. And then also I'm going to take random pieces of hair and just put bleach on it and then just wrap foil around it. Okay, now that I have about 5 highlights in my hair, now we're going to go in and bleach everything. Make sure you're fully saturating the hair and also brushing back and forth to make sure you get in between. And then you also at the top, you want to not do it as blunt, so I'm going to turn the brush sideways. Okay, near the end you could tell that half of my hair was already lifted fully, and then the other half I'm not even done. So here I'm trying to hurry up And once I get everything with bleach on it, I'm gonna go into the sink and I'm gonna wash off the side that's bleached already, and then I'm gonna just try to keep the bleach on the side that needs to bleach a little more. Okay, I've washed off the bleach, and now I'm going to scrub my closure in the bundle with some purple shampoo because I did dye my closure. And the purpose of the purple shampoo is just to take out that brassiness that you get once you bleach hair or your closure. Okay, now I'm going in with Destinee shampoo for colored hair. Use the conditioner for colored hair by Destinee. And then also I'm going to add in the conditioner that we got in the Creme of Nature dye box and just rub it in, and then we're going to put it in the microwave. And then I'm just gonna let the unit deep condition for an hour. Okay, once air dried, this is what the unit looks like. Now I'm going to go back in with the mixture of the Burgundy hot, red hot, and then the vivid red. And with that mixture, I'm using 1 whole container of the vivid red and half of the container of the red hot burgundy. And side note, make sure you don't pre-mix up your developer and color, because this is what happened when I was waiting on my hair to dry. But I still use that color. I just scooped it all in my bowl. But you know the drill. After this, I washed my hair, let it air dried, and here's the result. And let me know what hair color you would like for me to try next.